Hello, everyone. Let me ask you something. When you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do? Do you check your phone? Do you make coffee? Or do you just lie in bed a little longer?
I think we all know that feeling.
Today, we are going to talk about morning routines in English. Simple words, real sentences, natural conversation. And by the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about your morning in English with confidence. So stay with us. Hello, friends, and welcome to the English Power Daily, the podcast that helps you speak English step by step every day. I am Chris.
And I am Emily. We are so happy you are here with us today.
If this is your first time here, welcome. This podcast is for English beginners. We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we teach you real English for real life.
And if you are a regular listener, welcome back. Thank you for coming again.
Before we start, a small request. If you enjoy this podcast, please click like and subscribe to our channel.
We make new episodes every week. We don't want you to miss anything.
All right, let's begin. Today's topic, morning routines.
Chris, let me ask you, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That's early.
Yes, it is. But I like the morning. It's quiet and peaceful. What about you?
Honestly, I wake up at 7. Sometimes 7:30.
So you like to sleep more.
Just a little.
Okay, friends, did you notice? We used an important phrase, wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Let's say it together, slowly. Wake up. Wake up.
Now you try. Say, I wake up at 6 every morning.
Now, let's learn 5 morning phrases.
Number 1, wake up. I wake up at 6.
Number 2,
Get up.
get up means get out of bed.
Sometimes you wake up, but you don't get up.
So true. Wake up, get up.
Number 3, brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth means clean your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Number 4, have breakfast.
In Vietnam, many people eat rice.
In other countries, eggs or bread. Have breakfast.
Number 5, get ready.
Get ready means prepare for the day.
Shower, dress, pack your bag.
Get ready.
Let's review. Wake up, get up, brush your teeth, have breakfast, get ready. Okay, Chris, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast.
What do you eat?
Rice and eggs.
Nice. How long to get ready?
About 20 minutes. Quick question for you. What time do you wake up? And what is the first thing you do?
Write your answer in the comments.
Expression 1. I'm not a morning person.
That's me. Expression 2. Rise and shine.
Wake up and be happy.
Expression 3. Start the day right. Begin your day in a good way. Expression 4. Hit snooze.
Press the alarm and sleep again.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 6.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I have breakfast before work.
I need 30 minutes to get ready.
I am not a morning person.
Wake up. Stop sleeping. Get up. Leave bed. Brush your teeth. Clean teeth. Have breakfast. Eat morning meal. Get ready. Prepare. Expressions. Not a morning person. Rise and shine.
Start the day right. Hit snooze.
Great job, everyone.
That's our episode today.
We hope you learned something useful.
Don't forget to comment your answer.
Like and subscribe.
See you next week.
Bye, everyone.